Welcome to the California State Archives. My name's Juan Ramos. I'm a document preservation technician, and I've been with the California State Archives since 1997. What I'm going to show you here are some rather extreme examples of things that are not good for paper, that can deteriorate paper. First would be exposure to UV light, and that could either be sun or overhead light. This is an example of bad adhesives. They used to use animal glue quite a bit in those days. This is an example of acid transfer, and that would include things like newspapers. Any paper that has a brown tint to it is usually very acidic, and you don't want it in contact with paper that is non-acidic. This actually is a rubber band, and when you don't remove a rubber band, especially with something that's rolled, this is what can happen. It can actually stick to the document. This is tape. Please do not use clear cellophane tape on any document that's precious to you, because this can happen. It has already taken the image of the writing on here, and in my job, I can't hide writing or remove it in any way. And also exposure to humidity, to water, will cause running of ink and also mold. And this is a good example of cellulose acetate lamination. It was discovered it was non-reversible. So this has to stay as is. You can remove it, but it would be using a mixture of acetone and alcohol, which is very dangerous not only to the person doing the treatment, but also for the document itself. So this will pretty much stay as is. And then we have vermin, insect damage. This is from a silverfish. And once it gets to this point, there's not much we can do. Because we can't replace what's not there.